Understanding Sincerely Yours, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, sincerely yours. This phrase is often used in formal letters and emails, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Sincerely yours is a valediction, or a closing phrase used at the end of a letter or email. It originated from a longer phrase, I am sincerely yours, which means, I am genuinely yours in a respectful or faithful manner. It's used to express sincerity and a personal connection to the recipient, albeit in a formal context. This phrase is most appropriate in formal or semi-formal communication, particularly when you have some familiarity with the recipient. It's common in business letters, formal invitations, or correspondence where a respectful tone is required. However, it might be too formal for casual emails or messages to close friends or family. If sincerely yours feels too formal, there are other options. Best regards, versatile and professional. Kind regards, friendly yet formal. Yours faithfully, used when you don't know the recipient's name. Warm wishes, for a slightly more personal touch. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sincerely yours, and how to use it in your English communication. Remember, choosing the right closing phrase can make your letters sound more professional and respectful. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.